What happens if you are measuring more current than your multimeter can handle? Normally, measuring too high a level of current would destroy your multimeter and shock you. Fortunately, we have a device in a multimeter called a fuse. The fuse protects us. A fuse is found in almost every electronic you interact with. A fuse is a device designed to protect electrical equipment from surges in current or voltage. Most multimeters come with a fuse built into the multimeter. When the multimeter experiences too much current or voltage, a wire in the fuse melts. When the wire melts, the circuit within the multimeter is broken. The broken circuit prevents more current or voltage from flowing into the meter. A fuse with a melted wire is called a blown fuse. Fuses can only be used once. After the wire melts, your multimeter will not function properly. You must replace the fuse before using your multimeter again. When you buy a multimeter, check that it